Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice Harvard entrance exam questions in nice square root. So here we are going to consider a solution here. And from the given question, suppose I let x equals the square root of 81 squared plus 25 squared plus 14 raised to power 4 divided by 2. And if I take the square of both sides, so this implies that we have x squared equals 81 squared plus 25 squared plus 14 raised to power 4 divided by 2. And next, so if the right hand side equals 81 is 9 power 2 raised to power 2 plus 5 power 2 raised to power 2 plus, so 14 is 9 plus 5 power of 4 divided by 2. And then, so this equals, according to the rule of indices, we multiply this power together and we have 9 power 4 plus 5 power 4 plus 9 plus 5 power 4 divided by 2. And so from here, suppose I let a equals 9 and b equals 5. So when we replace it, we get a power 4 plus b power 4 plus a plus b power of 4 divided by 2. And let's consider from this identity. Suppose we have a plus b raised to power 4. When we expand it, what we get here is a plus b raised to power 4. By Pascal triangle coefficient, we have this as a power 4 plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b raised to power 4. So this is what we are going to have. And having something like this nature, as this one has turned to this, and here is a raised to power 4, a raised to power 4, they are going to add each other. And this implies we have 2a raised to power 4 plus, also we have b raised to power 4 and a is b raised to power 4. So what we have is 2b power 4 plus 4a raised to power 3b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab power 3 divided by 2. And from here, we can factor out 2 from here. So we have 2 here, 2 here, and here is 4, 6 and 4. So when we take out 2 and we divide it by these 2, what we get is a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a kept b plus 3a squared b squared plus 2ab kept. So if this is what we get at this stage, so in the next step, let's try to break this down into the sum of 2a squared b squared plus a squared b squared. So when we break it, here is what we are going to have. So when we break it, so this is what we are going to have. Then let's try to combine this with this. So here we have a raised to power 4, but this a raised to power 4, suppose I write it as a raised to power 2 raised to power 2 plus b raised to power 2 raised to power 2 plus 2a squared b squared plus, here is a squared b squared plus, we have this as 2a kept b, and here is plus 2ab kept. So let's try to look at this. Suppose we have x plus y squared. This equals x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. So let's consider x as a squared and y as b squared. So when we try to replace this, so here becomes a squared plus b squared all raised to power 2. So we combine these first three together, then plus, so here is a squared b squared plus, and looking at this, so let's say I factor out 2ab. So in this bracket we have a squared plus b squared, and next we have this equals, if I write this as a squared plus b squared raised to power 2 plus, suppose this is in form of ab raised to power 2 according to the rule of indices, plus, and also this, if I write this as 2 multiplied by a squared plus b squared multiplied by ab. So from this rule we applied, and looking at this also, we can deduce something of that nature, as if the whole of this is our x and this is our y. So what we do here is we combine this as a squared plus b squared in bracket plus ab, and all raised to power of 2. So this is what we are going to get. Now shouldn't forget that the whole of this equals x squared, which is equals a squared plus b squared plus ab raised to power 2. So when we cancel square and squared, we have x equals a squared plus b squared plus ab, but our a here equals to 9 and b equals 5. So this shows that when we try to substitute the value of a and b, here is 9 squared plus 5 squared plus 9 times 5. So here we have 8 squared, 9 squared, that is 81 plus 5 squared is 25 plus and 9 times 5 is 45. So by adding 81 plus 25 plus 45, this gives us 151. So therefore, the expansion of square root of 81 plus 25 square plus 14 raised to power 4 over 2, the result of this equals 151. So this is how to solve this. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do remember to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Bye bye.